we are right here. This is where we're gonna head up the trail. There's a small loop option, and then basically you're just right up next to the falls. Now this is scrambling, and that's why it says difficult route not maintained. And today my goal is actually to see if I can make it up to Ropey Lake, so we shall see. Now as you can tell, this route does go through the Caldor burn, so obviously a little bit sad, but also neat to see a lot of green coming back already. Now, unfortunately, Bree's been having some knee trouble, so she's not with me today. So I'm out for an early, quick mission up and back down. It's about 7 a.m. And yeah, just wanted to get out and have a look while everything is melting, because it's all happening pretty quickly with these warm days in the 70s up here at the lake. I was the only car in the parking lot, so it looks like I'll have the area to myself unless somebody's been backpacking up there, which is possible. Wow, this is so pretty. Sun is making its way down to the valley. So by the time we get to the big falls, it should be nice and lit up. Yeah, we're just going straight up the rock. There she is in the distance. And for this hike, you will be entering the Desolation Wilderness. So as you can see up here at this sign, you have to fill out a day use permit. It's free, but just fill it out so they know you're back here.
think it gets more spectacular than this. The sun's just about to crest the ridge, just starting to hit the waterfall as we're standing up here at Horsetail Fall. And I cannot emphasize this enough. If you are not comfortable on rocks and scrambling and slabs, don't go up higher. It's dangerous. Wow. Some old cedars. This cedar is amazing. The sun coming through. Alright guys, we have reached the top of Horsetail Falls. We have also found some snow. Alright guys, well we have reached the top of Horsetail Falls. I have time to probably get to Avalanche, but not Ropey Lake today, so let's go have a look. Reached the crest. I believe that's Pyramid Peak up there. A bit more snow up here. I believe this is Avalanche Lake, and Ropey Lake can't be too far behind that. Man, this would be perfect corn skiing right now. Yeah, take a lot of effort to get your skis up here. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. I mean, sad Bree can't be here, but her knee will get better and we'll get out here this summer a bit more. But yeah, excited for hiking season. That's what this kind of does for me. Well guys, I'm gonna put you away for the downhill scramble. I think that's always the more scary part for me, but I'll check in once I'm down. You guys see that? I think it's a marmot. Hey, bud. All right, guys, well, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you at the next one. All right, well, we're just about back to the car. There you can see Lover's Leap. There you can see the rushing waters. And this is what a lot of today has been, just running on slabs. So again, thanks for watching, guys. We're heading to the beach in a little bit, so maybe that video will come out tomorrow.